Another day, another dollar, man. I already was in here thinking about the fit. You know what I'm saying? That's what keeps me up at night, man. Thinking about a nice little gym fit to go work out in. You know what I'm saying? But really, man, all that's going on today is y'all know I already told y'all we was missing some days in the gym. So today we gonna hit legs, and so basically hamstrings, quads, calves, and then we gonna hit I think we gonna hit a little bit of back too, if I'm not mistaken. But depending on how my legs feel, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get that back. You know what I'm saying? Might be able to settle on the back this week because of how much work we have not got in this week. And then I'm trying to figure out something because I gotta go get a haircut, man. I'm tired of walking around like this, man. I can't do it anymore, guys. You know what I'm saying? This shit is crazy. Got the blue shorts on with the white shirt. You know what I'm saying? But this no cut life, this ain't the life for me, man. You know what I'm saying? I like to walk around looking like that guy, pal. You know what I'm saying? Bro, what's crazy about locking in is bro, I feel like every time I try to lock in, there's always something going on, bro. Like it's crazy. Like, bro, so when we started the cut, as soon as we start the cut, my sister graduation party that weekend, you know what I'm saying? Drinks on deck. And I know I've been talking about this little situation for a minute, but like, y'all just gotta let me break it down so y'all can really realize, like, goddamn, like, you know what I'm saying? You facing adversity, you know what I'm saying? Drinks on deck, good eats on deck, and I mean, cave, you know what I'm saying? So then a few days later, boom, boom, boom. Yesterday was my brother's birthday. We go on a nice little dinner, you know what I'm saying? But the eats on the menu, like, I couldn't, like, I had to just get the steak, you know what I'm saying? That, because that's how much calories I had left, and that's what kind of fit the macros, you know what I'm saying? So shit kind of sucked, you know? But they brought out the champagne. I didn't even drink the champagne. I had to, you know what I'm saying? But now, my brother got like a birthday party this weekend. So I know it's gonna be drinks there, you know what I'm saying? Know it's gonna be drinks there. Know it's gonna be good eats. Then my homeboy Chance, he got a graduation party. Know it's great eats there. You know what I'm saying? You can't go to people's events and not eat. Like, shit is crazy. You know what I'm saying? But you can't go to people's events and track your macros and weigh the food, and you know what I'm saying? So I don't know, man. It's just like, bro, every time. Now I'm gonna get this done, best believe. But I'm just, man, I'm facing a challenging weekend coming up, you know what I'm saying? But I mean, that's just what makes achieving that goal so much, like, just so much more enjoyable. It's like, cause you know you went through hell to get to it, but bro, it just be that rocky start, man. And then nobody be understanding, like, nah, I ain't drinking cause I'm trying to get cut, like, I'm trying to get ripped, bro. It really be that simple. Everybody be, bro, what happened to you? Why you stop drinking? Like, why don't you drink no more? Alright, you know what I'm saying? We all know why on this channel, you know what I'm saying? It's alright for the occasional. But, bruh, motherfucker be out here ODing, man. Yeah, man, but that's pretty much all I got to talk about today, man. I woke up kind of late because I had to schedule a bunch of drops for y'all. So, you know what I'm saying, we can keep this these videos cranking out. And dang, I really hope y'all like the little photo shoot run vlog. I really hope y'all like that one because that's gonna be, we talked about that reward system. That's gonna be one of the rewards. Basically, it's like, if I'm cutting and doing what I'm supposed to do, I'll probably have like a little photo shoot, like in the gym or something, or like, you know what I'm saying, just like a little just like some active shoots, you know what I'm saying? Just so like, you know what I'm saying, I can get some good photos and really, you know what I'm saying, enjoy that for the day. You know what I'm saying? I feel like that's cool. Once you like get in the place where you're supposed to be and you taking them pictures and you seeing your body like and things of that nature where you wanted it to be in the first place, I feel like that's something you'll enjoy too, you know what I'm saying? That's a reward just to like sit there and reflect and look at yourself like, damn, this me. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. Let's go ahead and get in this leg there, man.
All right, man. So we at this gym, and I checked the thing. It's no back day. It's straight leg day. You know what I'm saying? But this feeling like one of them days, man. Like this one of them days. Like I just got up, but like ain't nothing even happened. Like I'm just not fucking with the vibe of the day. Like I don't feel like lifting, but we're gonna get this work in anyways. I don't know, man. I really don't feel like doing shit, but we still gonna get this work in. But two baddies in here too, you know what I'm saying? Oh, I'm talking about there's two baddies in here, you know what I'm saying? So that's gonna motivate me too. But let's go ahead and start off with the first little exercise. Let me see something. Yeah, probably that right there. So that's a solid angle. Start off with quads. Hold on. All right, there we go. It's a good angle, but y'all can't see. Burnout reps like always. This definitely one of them days. I ain't even gonna say too much, man. I don't even feel like burning out, and I always feel like burning out. I'll say I didn't really have a lot of carbs yesterday, because like I told y'all, I had a little steak last night, ribeye steak, 12 ounce. You know what I'm saying? That's about 800 to 900 calories right there. And if I'm eating 2,100 calories, that's half the goddamn day for real. You know what I'm saying? So, and then I had a shake earlier in that day, but I didn't get really too much carbs in. I tried to sneak in a few of my little brother fries, just to be like, all right, I had a little bit of carbs, some energy. I'm gonna go up on the weight. Squeeze. Ooh. Ooh. Fuck, man, fuck. I need to start doing supersets. I need to get back on my superset grind. The only thing with a superset though, is like, imagine having this camera in here, right? And you taking up 2-3 machines. You know what I'm saying? So start at this one. Then I gotta move the camera over this. I gotta move the camera. Nigga probably gonna say you needed that machine. You probably gonna be looking at me like, nigga, what you doing all this? Like, get your goofy ass out the way. And I don't want to be looked at as a goofy. But this next set, I like the squeeze, but I don't think want to go up to get more painful. But we got single legs. Hold on. Suck the down padding all the way. Ugh. Shit. God damn. Right here, I'm gonna just like be going in between sets. I'm gonna do these little kind of like they body weight squats, but more for the quads. Just a burnout on them. Creasing the fuck out my shoes. Squat work. Get you some of those. You feel that burn? Shit. God damn. Now we're gonna do single leg. Y'all wondering what Pop's at. Y'all usually see him in the background a little bit. He wanted to get shoulders in because we didn't hit shoulders last week. I was gonna hit shoulders tomorrow, but he got something to do. But on a cut, I don't really hit shoulders as much, you know what I'm saying? Because I just feel like as you like cutting down, like more shit gonna start to show, you know what I'm saying? So people look at me as like kind of bulky already, and I'm not gonna say I like the bulk look. I like the lean aesthetic look, you know what I'm saying? So why the hell am I gonna keep doing shoulders if they gonna keep showing? You know what I'm saying? They gonna get shredded. I ain't really worried about no damn shoulders. I'm worried about that back and the biceps, keeping the muscles in there. Then I'm about to start incorporating some forearms and then keeping the muscles in my legs for sure. Because y'all know I go on them runs on the weekend, which I probably need to move leg day up in the week because it's Thursday. I got weekend runs Saturday, Sunday. Saturday probably a 4 mile. Sunday probably like a 2.5 mile. My fucking legs, them shit gonna be shot. But maybe I should add in more. When we bulking, man, we'll worry about adding more leg days. But all right, this the 70, one leg. I could do more, I think. Let me just handle this first. Squeeze. Down. But I really hope the camera getting the muscle. I'm not 100 if it is. Oh, hey. But, oh. Oh my God. I'm gonna go up on the weight. Boy, I'm not gonna lie, them little squats in between, I cannot wait to be finished with those. This shit is heavy. Ooh. I'm gonna drop it a little bit. Same thing next leg. Ah, fuck. Ooh. God damn. Go 85, right? I'm gonna start right here, drop set. Squeeze.
Check this out.
70. Bro, how can I focus right now? Latina baddie just looking over here at your boy. Fuck. Wish I was in the gym where I could really scream that shit out loud. You know, seated leg curls, you know what I'm saying? I will say, quads are so tight. I'm in here walking like a bad bitch right now. You know what I'm saying? Only gym heads get it, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know the walk. Not necessarily how a bad bitch walks. But, shit. Let me adjust this. 95. Warm up. What is it? Oh, fuck. What the fuck? I don't know if y'all can see it, but right now I am sweating. I would say leg day is the only workout day I'ma bust a damn sweat on. Fuck. Finna go up to a Hyundai. Like I told you, man. Just to say I'm doing a 100. You know what I'm saying? Triple dig. It's a triple digit thing. I don't want none of my workouts to be 2 numbers, you feel me? And that's down to the girls. I ain't got nothing in between for this area. Damn squat. Gotta know when to stop now. You don't want to be that motherfucker in here popping shit. I ain't popping no hamstrings. We got a 4 mile on Saturday. That feel good, you know what I'm saying? That feel good to say. When you not just coming and lifting and you got other workouts to do, it make you really feel like a weapon. Yeah, I'm strong as hell, but I can run for it too. Fuck. The battery dying, holy fuck. So here's what I'm gonna do. Since the battery dying, y'all saw that workout, I'm gonna do line extensions and show y'all a little bit of that, and then shit. Next I got, goddamn, calves. And I wanna actually show y'all me doing calves, so I'm gonna save some of this battery life for when we go ahead and do calves and shit, you know what I'm saying? So it feels kinda awkward, like when people walking by you and you talking to a fucking camera. But I'm talking to you guys. This camera will not work with me today, so as you can see, calf, boom, on the calf machine.